Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. We are here again to uh, get a crabs. Another day, or another week, another crabs. So come and join me today for another day of crabbing and fishing. And let's see if there's a lot of if there's big crabs here. And as I said, this is the new spot. And that's not today's Monday and not a lot of crabbers today, so it's only me and my partner. And see, it's nice water here. And okay, crabbing, come and join me today to for crabbing. Okay, thank you. Crabbing, we get one. Nice size. That nice one. Okay, crabbing. Okay. Nah. Oh fuck. All right, look at that, huh? Another day, another crab. Ito nakawala pero nahuli rin namin kagad. Yan. Iwa loose but still can get. It's a pretty decent size and no, it's good. It's good blue crab. Okay. Nice. What's up, crabbing? I had a big one, and this one, I don't know how big it is, but I will measure it later. See how big it is. Okay. Oh man. See how we're gonna get this. Okay. Holy crap! I think this is like 8 inches or what? But I will measure it later again. Look at that, oh, one basket net, I got 3. Oh, nice, love it. Yun. Okay, look at that. 3 in 1. Okay. It's time to go home now. So medyo just a present, meron din kami nakuha mga konti. Yan, pang hapunan. Yan, that's for dinner. Hey, hey, not bad. Okay. And again, thank you very much, mga crabbing, for joining me today. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Ilocanian Boys Outdoors. And thank you very much, and God bless. Bye.